Hello, Pretty Bee. This week we're going to do a graphing activity. We already practiced some graphing when we were at school, and I want you to review, or I want you to refresh the meaning on graphing. Okay? So first, I'm going to tell you what is a graphing, and then we're going to review the worksheet or the activity you have for this week on graphing. So what is graphing? Graphing is a simply a more linear way of organizing information. Graphing is an important math tool, and it can be a simple way to introduce broader concepts of greater than or less than or most and least. So what does more or less mean? So if you have a group of fruits, you have 5 strawberries and you have 3 bananas. Okay, so you have 5 strawberries and you have 3 bananas, right? So and if I ask you, okay, what do you think has more, or what fruit has more? So if you count the strawberries, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 strawberries. If you count the bananas, you have 1, 2, 3. So which one has more? Strawberries or bananas? Strawberries has more fruits, or has more amount, and bananas has less amount. Okay. So for another example, let's say you have you have 4 pancakes, and you have 2 waffles. And I ask you, okay, what food has the more amount? The pancakes that are 4, or the waffles that are only 2? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pancakes and 2 waffles. What food has more amount? The pancakes have more amount because there are 4 pancakes, and the waffles only have 2, so they are less or least amount of food. Okay, so in graphing you can begin sorting types of fruits or colors or numbers. Okay, so in this activity we will be sorting rainbow teddy bears. Well, I'm going to share the screen with you. And this is what we're going to be doing for this activity, okay? So first you have the instructions. In this graphing, okay? So there we go. Okay, so Valeria already started, so I'm gonna put back my teddy bears. Now, first you're going to sort by color. We have blue bears, we have red bears, and we have yellow bears. So the first thing is you're going to sort by colors. You're going to drag the teddy bears by color. So I'm going to drag the red ones and I'm going to put them on the red graphing line, okay? All of them, all the red ones, I'm going to put them on the red graphing line, red bear graphing line, okay? Then I'm going to grab my blue ones. I'm going to drag them and put them on the blue graphing line. And then I'm going to put the yellow ones on the graphing line like this. Okay, so now what are you gonna do? You're going to count how many do you have of each color, okay? So first I'm going to start with the yellow one. For the yellow ones, I only have 1 and 2. 1 and 2, okay? For the red ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 red ones, 2 yellow ones. And for the blue one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. For the blue one, I have 4. For the red one, I have 5. And for the yellow one, I have 2. Okay, so the question here is, which has the most? Which of the teddy bears has the most amount of teddy bears? Okay, so the red one has 5, so it is the teddy bear that has the most amount of bears. Okay, so I'm going to drag the red one and I'm going to put it on the box. Now, which has the least? Which of these three color bears has the least amount of bears? Okay, so the red one has 5, the blue one has 4, and the yellow one has 2. So the yellow one has the least amount of teddy bears. So I'm going to drag the yellow and put it here on the box. Okay, so I'm going to do this one to review, guys. And then you can do it by yourself on your computer. So we have, first I'm going to sort by color. Drag the blue one over the blue graphing line. Then I'm going to drag the red ones. And then I'm going to drag the yellow ones. Okay, so now we're going to count them. Okay, for the blue one, you only have one blue teddy bear. Okay, for the red ones, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 red ones. Okay, you have 1 blue, 4 red, and let's count the yellow ones. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have five yellow. You have 4 red bears, and you have 1 blue bear. So on this box, you're going to write down now that you have found. So we said that the red one had 4, so you're going to look for number 4 and you're going to type number 4. Now the blue one had 5, and the yellow one had 5, and the blue one had 1. So that's what you're gonna do on the next page of the slide. So this is your graphing work for this week. And remember that graphing is just a simple organizing way to see information. And it helps you to see which concept or has greater or less than, or which whatever you're sorting in here in the worksheet you are sorting bears, or which it helps you to see which bears have the most amount and which bear has the least amount.